Hello and welcome back. And yeah, let's start by just looking at this bad boy. It's another breakable model, Black Falcon Fortress, I believe it's called. Yeah, it's Fortress. So and check it out. So this really big mock, really big mock, and yeah. Now I'll put the link in the description so you can check it out. But here we have some pictures, not so many, but yeah, there is a lot of stuff to check out and look in. There is a lot of details, and it's nice. It's really nice, and it's something that I might build. So, Black Falcon Fortress, classic castle by Dream Built Bricks, Mock 132661, 6,710 parts. So, only cost $12, so that's something. Yeah, that's something really nice from the author. He didn't overprice it, so at the $12, I believe that's something that you should consider buying. So from those other builds that I saw, he have this Eldorado Fortress, and this one was something that I really wanted to build some time ago, and problem is the parts, but we might get to that, because this is one of my all-time favorite model, the old Sanctum Sanctorum, not bad one. And yeah, you can check out him on the Unbreakable. The link will be in the description. So now let's focus on this one. So as you can see here, uh, details are really nice here, and everything what you look and check out, it's really nice. Only downside of this is that you need 5 castles, 1 blacksmith, 1 forest hideout, and Black Falcon Fortress, and this one it's kind of impossible to find for me, at least. I don't know for others, but for me, these I have even double. But this one I don't know. So when I check out my build is mock 73%. Okay, I didn't put the hideout inside, but still about 1,500 pieces. I don't know which one, but and this is how it looks when you open it up. So this is really nice. These I don't have in this color. I do have in white, I believe, and maybe some other color, but not in the gray. So this could be a problem, but might order those few pieces that I'm missing. These I have. These, yeah, most of the parts I do have. Only though these are kinda in this color, I don't have them. So as with the original, the version of Black Fortress has a rectangular layout featuring gate with rising lower and drawbridge, flanked by 2 towers and a resistance building on the rear wall. It all high hinge-bricks that allow the castle to be open. Okay. So Armory and Blacksmith Area, practice dummy, castle, gatehouse, 2 towers, drawbridge, torture chamber, dungeon, war room with table, map, and study. Residence building on the rear wall, which includes table area, medieval banquet hall, royal living room, kitchens, royal sleeping chambers, wizard study, and hidden forestmen hideout. Outpost tower that connects to either the rear or the right side of the residence building area. So yeah, it's quite nice for me. Uh, don't forget to put comments below if you want me to try to build it, because if there will be enough comments and people that wanna look at this, I will order the parts that I'm missing. Like I might even have those. Yeah, I have those. So the biggest concern right now are these, and as I see there is few of them, but I could change those to these maybe. Yeah, it would be like this one instead of this one, so that might be a little different, but good work. So yeah, there is little stable over here, big door, and lots of nice stuff going on. So and would be a really nice addition to already my display shelf and near future for the, let's call this, in the medieval war room. It's kinda really nice, and I do really appreciate the effort put into this, and most important is the price is not too huge, so it's not like $40 or 25, it's 12, so might even buy just to support the author. So don't forget subscribe, comment, like, and follow the channel, and yeah, we might build this because it's pretty nice. So that's about that for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope I can see you next one.